Here's how to turn off the VPN on your iPhone. Now, if you swipe down from the top right, next to the little Wi-Fi symbol, if you see VPN, that means you're connected to a VPN network. We can disable it two different ways. The first way is you can just go to that VPN app. So if I tap on my VPN app here, you can see it's connected. All I need to do is tap on the power button and I will disconnect. However, let's say you don't see that or that's not working for you. Let me reconnect and I'll show you a second option to be able to do that. From here, we're going to get into your settings. You usually can see under the battery section is a VPN option that will allow you to toggle it on or off. But if you don't see that or that doesn't work for you, you can just tap on General and then at the very bottom, VPN and Device Management. Here it will show you any VPN configuration profiles you have and whether they're connected or disconnected. So all we need to do is go in here and you can see VPN Super and it says connected. Now to turn it off, all we need to do is toggle it off. However, if it keeps turning back on automatically or turning back on itself, keep in mind if it does, like it just did like that, it connected again, you'll need to tap on the little I right next to that profile and then just hit delete VPN. Or better yet, you can go into the VPN app itself and disconnect from the VPN app. And it's usually a bit more reliable in terms of not automatically turning back on.